Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec past question year 2018 commerce. Question number 1 says activities which facilitate commerce include dash. That is, what are the things that promote commerce? That is, and commerce is synonymous to what we call business. So things that promote business. A engaging youth in environmental sanitation. B funding political campaigns. C providing recreational facilities in community. The correct option here is option C, providing recreational facilities in community, that is down to villages. When we talk of recreational activities, that is those things that makes business boom or that promotes business, factors that promote business is what we refer to as recreational activities, such as good road, constant power supply, and so on and so forth. So these are the things that promote commerce or facilitate commerce or business. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.